What are you working on, Pat?
I'm making a clamp bracket. The engineer left the office today. God help us all, Jack. God help us all. Just trying to do a little clamp bolt. This is gonna hold our catch can. Just a quick little fix. You know, keep it simple. See how it goes.
Nice.
If it doesn't work, we'll try again.
That bracket bolts right there. See that hole, those two holes. And then there's room in the cavity. I was gonna weld nuts inside of here, and this just comes right out. This goes there, that goes here, bam. Put it right about there, right?
Okay.
And I want nuts welded inside of here.
Okay.
So realistically, you can throw that on the ground and then just get some M8s, probably 4 M8s, bolt the bracket to this, weld the nuts in there, just a little tack. Fits real nice. Look at that. All you European boys that run this, and anyone else, we'll make them for you.
Dude, that's crooked.
You're crooked.
That's not straight.
Yeah.
Dude, you're half a degree off. Full degree.
Wayne, would you shut up?
Oh, you gotta go that way. 0.8 of a degree. You know what I want, Jack, as my next daily driver? First gen Tacoma. So like the 90s Tacomas.
Aren't they like all super rusted?
Yeah. Be hard to find a good one.
How's it going? Is right there okay? Yep. It's a little far away from the gauge. Do you want it closer so there's more room? Yeah, it's a little chattery. That's what you get for machining a water jet cut disc, but we have a ribbed groove, by design of course, better cable grip, and I'm gonna cut along these lines, and then this baby's gonna bolt onto the side of that, and that, and then we gotta determine where our set screw and thread and bowl is gonna go. A lot of customizations. This is not going to be something that we sell. Let's make that clear. Yeah, Kyle. Yeah, I like that. Nice and solid, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, right at home.
Right where she belongs.
Much better than what we did before. That's for sure.
Yeah, I won't take responsibility for that one. One bolt. Wonder. Julio. Your boss is standing behind you.
Or that has the stainless braided so it doesn't melt.
Does it fit?
I think so.
Come on. You know, all I'm looking for is just, you did a good job, right? that's all I need from you, Cobb.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get it.
They need a little reaffirmation every once in a while, you know? You like it there?
Yeah.
Is it gonna fit with the hood?
Looks good.
Yeah, it'll go down.
We'll snug it down a little. Let me get some tools. It's not gonna fit. I can guarantee it.
Why? Because I made it. It all got so bent, and then when I welded this jock strap on, it bent even more, so I just gotta loosen this one. It's no big deal. Or worst case, I'll cut it if I need to like make it fully fit. Yeah. That's kind of how it was. It's just the clamp needs to be further forward now. So I'm trying, what do you want me to do?
Was that way.
It did sit on more of an angle. And we can move it. Like, it does have a little bit of play room in it.
Yeah, that'll fit.
That's why I was trying to get the shaft on, but you guys don't have parts on, so the diff's not sitting where. What do you want me to do?
So it's my fault.
It's Josiah's fault.
Hit her, pat her, get at her.
What do you want to do, Joel?
I want to put my steering controller in.
Ooh.
Josiah's eventually going to put that pump on.
Yeah.
We're going to give her the old test out this weekend, make sure it works.
No car. You got a good credit score to get that bad boy?
Yeah, I did. Get it?
Friend,
We got her.
Big Hellcat energy. Okay, thanks, Kyle. See you later. All right.
Yeah.
Here, we water jet cut this with these guidelines, so I'm just gonna bandsaw this off. The only reason I had it as a complete circle was so I could put it in the lathe and make this groove for the wire to lay in, and I didn't want to commit to cutting it unless I needed to do something else on the lathe, but I guess we're gonna commit because it won't clear the system that I've designed. Everything's got to be pretty close. I knew the cable was a little short, so we're gonna go zap this in the bandsaw. Here we have her. Okay, freshly cut. The sun's bright. It's nice. It's bright. Okay, we got our groove. We're gonna go clean this up, make it look nice, and then that's our handmade, piece. This is tough because I wish it went like way longer. You just drill a hole right about there this way, stick the wire in, and then have a threaded hole into it there. Just gonna mark that. It's not quite hitting WAP, so let me tighten this up.